How to e-file 1041 taxes in Turbotax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Now to e-file 1041 taxes in Turbotax, you will need Turbotax Business, as the personal versions of Turbotax don't support this form. So you want to install the Turbotax Business and begin working on your return. Now you will be asked which type of return you need to prepare. Select Trust or Estate Return, which is Form 1041, and proceed. Now you want to input the name of the estate or trust, EIN and type of entity, then report your income. Now you want to enter deductions and expenses, then allocate income to beneficiaries. You can use Schedule K1 to report the income distributed to beneficiaries. Now TurboTax will guide you through creating and generating the K1 forms. After that, you want to review and check for errors. Now to e-file Form 1041, you want to select the e-file option in TurboTax. Then it will prompt you to create a personal identification number for electronic filing. Now submit the return. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.